The magic stick. Don't move, Sigma. You're a Sigma. Whoa. Okay, so this is what it is row, the first three rows, the fourth row, the fifth row, and over here, the beginning is the sixth row. Numbers 18, 17, and 16. 16, 17, 18. And the seventh row. There's a total of 12 rows in the combination. That means I take 6 and I take 7. If I go backwards, okay, I take row 1. Well, why does it look like I got red all over here? I got row 1 here, row 2 here, row 3 here, row 4 here, row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8, row 9, row 10, row 11, and row 12. So I have 2 sets. Okay, so I'm going to start from over here. 34, 35, 36, 31, 32, 33. And I go all the way up to this row over here. So it's the 6th row and the 6th row, 66. And in this row, what is created is, so let me see underneath the table here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me get a little bit lower. Oh, I can't get that low. What happens is that cube over here is what happens. And if you notice, there's a tulip. And then the front side of the tube, and I have to get a little bit more light, so bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, let me spread this back a little bit. So this is 66. We end up at the cube. It's a total of 111. The Twin Towers was not 110. When you got up to the roof of the Twin Towers, you had to count that as the 111th floor. You go to the basement, it's 111. You go to the roof, it's 111. Otherwise, you're still in the building, right? 110. So that's your 5 on this side and 7 on that side. 5, no 6, right? 5 is before, then 6, 7. So 6 and 7, okay, the spirit is 76. Now, if you don't want to touch this, it's the 5th row over here and the 8th row over here, which says matrix, okay, the word silver matrix, 85, 58. 5 by 8, 5 plus 8 equals to 40, and 13 equals to 53, minus the 40, 13 from the 40, equals to 27, and that's the red sun. 5 times 8, 5 plus 8. Row number 5 before. What's holding it in here, right? And it looks like it's being carried away. Why only one arm? Because there's no red over here. Here's a red. There's no red over here. No continuation. Okay, this is from games. I only made connections. Okay, relative connections. So now what you do, you go 5 over here and 5 over here. What's in between 7 and 6? 7 times 6, 7 plus 6 equals 42 and 13. 42 and 13 equals to 55 and 29. Birth inside the red sun. This is where I get my numbers. This is off of an idea I got from the roulette game. And why do they make all these switches? Because when they start off at number 1 over here and go 1, 4, 7. Sorry, this one has to be 3. I'm going to do it from this board over here. Let me get this a little bit closer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 9 and 12 in roulette are together. That's how I get that. 27 and 30 are together. These two are together as 18 and 21. These two are together as 16 and 19. This is what it is: closed, backside, closed side, backside. Anyways, and there's another way of drawing it. I just draw them up different ways to draw the pictures. I have to fix that up a little bit. And I'm not sure what to make of that, but if you take a look, it's 5, 7, backwards 7, and 2. 57, because it's a backwards 5. So when they said 5775, or if they were talking 2012, they could have been mentioning a different year. Anyways, Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I've been getting in a little bit of work on the floor, trying to get it up to par. Now that I have it basically done, besides some of the paint coming off, let's just say have a nice day.